is from Quezon province,
Hmm.
and my father is from
Ay,
Thailand.
Quezon Province. Ang layo.
How about you guys?
Hmm.
Where are you from in the Philippines?
Pampanga.
Pampanga. I already have been there in Pampanga.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really?
Naka, nakapunta na ako. Nakapunta na
Hindi
ako.
ka na umuwi dito.
Hindi pa.
Hmm.
Yeah. Maybe next year. Next year
Bumabaha
or
dito ngayon.
uh, huh?
Hmm. Punta ka dito sa Sanong Bato.
Baha?
It's raining here.
Okay. Oh yeah, I already watched in
Yes.
the Facebook. Many flood. Ilan taong ka na po? Hello po, kuya.
29.
29. Hello po.
Yes.
Yeah. I'm 35 years old.
Oh, di halata.
Yeah. Thank you. Salamat po. Meron ako ditong kaibigan,
Pag ganyan ba?
Filipino.
Hindi ka ba naka-live stream?
Hindi po. Hindi po ako live
Okay.
streamer.
Anong
Yeah.
work mo dyan?
Study. Study. I'm a student.
Ay, study.
Yeah. I study here in Korea. But maybe next year I go back in the Philippines. Next year or I don't know where. But I plan to go there
Hmm.
next year.
Madalang ka lang umuwi dito, no?
Yeah, because it's so very, it's very mahal. Uh, the ticket.
Ah,
Mahal po ang ticket.
buti nga ikaw nasa Korea.
Why? It's so hard here. Very hard. It's so difficult for me.
Very hard.
Yeah, because of maybe the foods.
Ano daw FB mo? May nagtatanong dito.
Oh, really? I have a Facebook. Yeah.
Ano daw FB mo?
Okay, I will type.